Adrian, if just to kind of reflect on, it's often talked about by people who maybe don't work in the sector, the idea of like, some sort of unified system, national health and social care service. Running a charitable cooperative, rooted in communities, is there a risk, you think, that more integration would lead to a more centralised approach? Would it maybe stop you doing some of the things that you're doing?
I mean, it depends what that actually means. So one way of interpreting let's have a national care service is that all aspects of care are absorbed back into the state, as it were, and we have one unified, almost like monopoly provider. I think there's a real risk in that being a vast bureaucracy in which local connections, local conversations, and the mobilisation of different sort of assets, which we talked about earlier, could just get lost in a sort of a bit of a it's all down to us inward-looking monopoly. I think adding to my anxieties about us going in that direction, it's sort of like what direction does it go? Do we pass reabsorb all of care services, including local authority responsibilities, into this Welsh NHS thing, or do we try and decentralise and democratise the NHS so that it fits onto local government or regional footprints? I mean, both of them strike me as being really, really complicated and potentially could create more problems than they fix. It's not perfect as it is now, but actually, when agencies do collaborate, and that includes collaboration across the sort of commissioner and provider boundary, amazing things happen. We ran a project in the Brecon area ourselves as the provider, in partnership, really close partnership, almost like week-to-week meetings with the local authority, housing department, and social services, social workers in particular, in order to free up our frontline staff to have conversations with the people that they support about what really matters to them, and the amount of efficiency that we were able to drive into that system, and the increased outcomes from that, just by being more collaborative and user focused, was enormous. And I know Gwynedd is experimenting with a really similar approach to delivering home care in Gwynedd, where the home care provider, has got their desk in the same room as the local care managers, and the relevant NHS officers, so that there's instant picking up of needs and agreement about the way forward. I really don't think we all have to be in the same agency in order to get the benefits of real collaborative working.
Yeah, and that's, I guess that's another challenge potentially for the politicians, really, is to set out their stall as to what that means. We do hear about this idea of integration, and really I think we need a lot more detail, something that we can properly scrutinise as to what is the vision,